Today it's nice, it's sunny, it's a long weekend, I'm thriving. Basically, my whole house has been a mess. Hello? You wanted to hear too? Okay. My whole house has been a huge mess for the past little while because I've been lazy and I have not cleaned lots of things. So this morning I kind of like fixed up the closet because there was clothes actually everywhere and it was kind of nasty and nobody could get to any of the drawers or get anything, and it was entirely my fault because it's mostly my clothes lying everywhere. So I kind of like cleaned it up a little bit. I thought I'd show you my like new organization that I've got set up. So there's that. And I kind of moved my winter stuff into our guest room closet and our, like, just to kind of clear up some space for all the summer things. And I don't know if I'm gonna move it around anymore. Just like spring cleaning, that kind of jazz. You saw earlier I went to the mailbox, ordered some stuff for my car. I ordered like little, like they're little punch. Like, you know when people do carpets, like they make rugs and they punch them? I'll show you a picture. And it's like that, and they're little coasters and they go in the cup holders and they'll like catch the crumbs and things, and like, so your cup holders don't get gross. We do have a like thing of laundry detergent on the floor just because it's a heavy object, and Simon likes to open the closet because it's one of like it's one of these kinds of doors. So he likes to open it up and then pee in the closet on clothes and shoes and things. So he has been banished and forbidden from entering the closet. So we always have to remember to put this in front of the door because he can't move it. Anyway, we kick that out of the way and then we open it up. Okay, so let me explain what I did. So basically earlier today, there was just shit all over the floor. It was everywhere. It was nasty. So I kind of picked it all up, put the dirty laundry in a basket, and like folded all my clean laundry because both of those baskets were full of clean clothes. Now it's got dirty clothes in it and that one's empty. But like I cleared out a bunch of my stuff that was winter clothes, and I kind of just put in just summer stuff or like stuff I wear to work, that kind of gig. Hello Vogue, welcome to my closet. This is like the different stuff I did today because I always do things differently and I move things around every time I clean the closet because I love change, and change is one of my favorite things and it makes me happy. So I've never done this before, but I found my pants were always getting really full because I have like a little set of drawers down there, which is great for like shirts and intimates and stuff, but it's not awesome for like thicker pants. So I work in an office, I have to dress somewhat professional, or at least I attempt to. So I put my like dress pants on this thing so like I can find them easier. This was thrifted, and so is this, and they're super cute. So I can kind of like pull off those pants a little bit easier, and then like all of my jeans, which I also wear to work, we're allowed to wear them, okay? I put on here. So this is like all my jeans, or most of my jeans. And like the ones I wear the most often, like I wear this one and this one. They're both the same pair of pants, just light wash and black. To work all the time, so I put those on top, and then like the jeans I wear the least I put on the bottom. Hello. So there's that. We also have like shirts I wear to work, dress shirts and blouses and things that I've kind of put up here, dresses and stuff. I'm so proud of this. Hello. It's my dress tree. So all my dresses, or most of them, are on here, and then I can kind of just grab them off of this hanger and they don't take up a shit ton of space. Yeah, and then I think it's easier for me to just grab what I need. And I hung up some hoodies and like just reorganize stuff a little bit. Yeah, this was the drawer. It's still overflowing and not great, but this was the drawer situation. So I put my like t-shirts that I wear often like on top of this, and then like sweats here, because those are the things I like tend to grab more. And because I was able to clear out all that space for my pants, I was able to put my shorts in here, and like leggings and stuff. So that makes it a little bit easier for me to get at instead of my shorts, which were all over the floor. Dude, what are you looking at? What are you looking at, huh? What are you doing? Are you being a menace? You're pretending to not be a menace. I know you are. These are my books, like physical books that I'm reading at the moment. Don't worry about that, my cat just fell down the stairs. So I've read already this one, which is On Her Knees by Brother Murray Davies. I've read The Secret History. I've read My Year of Rest and Relaxation. I just finished Song of Achilles. So basically what I've got left at the moment is I've started Educated, but I haven't finished it. And Daisy Jones and the Sex, and then 100 Years of Solitude. So these are like, these gotta be my summertime reads. I can't rush through them. So, cause like all 5 of these were supposed to be my summertime read. And then I read 3 of them, before summer started. So we're doing great. I'm thinking my next one is gonna be 100 Years of Solitude. I've heard really good things about it. And maybe it's just because the cover is like pretty and green and pink and reminds me of summertime that I'm like, I wanna read that one next. But that's kind of where I'm at the moment. So I think that's gonna be my next read. If you've read it, you know, let me know if you really enjoyed it. I've heard really, really good things about it. So pretty excited about that. Look at this little clingy guy. Why are you obsessed with me? Oh, he's so good. So repotted some plants. So I repotted this jade because I want them to grow into like nice big trees. So I repotted this one. I repotted my cactus because it was in like such sad, pathetic packaging or potting when I got it because I rescued it from the grocery store. I also repotted these 2. These ones will not stand up for the life of me. I have forks stuck in here to like try and keep them up, but they keep falling. And then this one's actually not doing too bad. This has been my strongest jade. I grew all of these, by the way, from 2 leaves. So these, I guess there's 3 plants here. These 3 plants and then the one in the kitchen are all grown from 2 leaves from my sister's jade tree, which I got in 2018. They were just in like 2 little teacups. And I have actually grown 5. I gave one of my bosses one of them. We're making muffins now. Our minds have been changed. We're no longer making the blue muffins. We're making oat muffins. So many oats. Vegetable oil, that's canola oil. It's the same thing. 1/4 cup. We're gonna make it work. Into the dry. Okay, now I'm gonna think about this because last time I didn't think about it and I got screwed up. So I need to put the dry ingredients in the bigger bowl. Haha, they thought they could trick me, but they can't. This is amazing, amazing. My cat wishes to be outside, but he's not allowed outside. So he's just looking at me angrily. Amazing. And then 1/2 cup, I'm just gonna eyeball it because what could go wrong with that? I think I need more. You just have to believe in yourself for baking to work. That's 1/2 cup. Close to 1/2 cup now I'm gonna get. Amazing. And then preheat oven to 400. I think I can do that first. Amazing. Sugar and salt and baking powder. Okay, how much sugar? 1/2 cup. It says use brown sugar, but my brown sugar is really, really stuck together. So I'm gonna use white sugar. You know, what could possibly go wrong? Just gonna kind of. Here's the thing, it's gonna make muffins. Is it gonna make muffins? Yes, it's gonna make muffins. And there's like nothing wrong with the muffins it's gonna make. Ugh, get it off of me. It's gonna mix all that together. Okay, so that's pretty much mixed together. Let's give another splash. So this is a 1/4 cup. If I just fill it only like that much, then it's a 1/3 cup. I really love playing Stardew, and it took me forever to like understand how to play it, because like for the first year of the game, I didn't know what I was doing, and I tried to marry Pierre, and I was like flirting with Pierre, and I visited him every day, and I gave him presents, but I was playing on my iPad and I didn't realize you could zoom out. So I found out that Pierre was married one day when I figured you could zoom out, and I realized he had like a family and a wife, and I felt so bad. So I spent the whole first year of the game just being a homewrecker, and then like that was awkward, so I just like refused to talk to Pierre for the longest time. I also didn't realize that like trash was a thing, so I would like pick up sticks and stuff and I would give them to people, and then they would be like, this is gross. I'm like, it's a stick and I found it just for you. I thought you would like it, because I thought just like giving presents was good, but no. The only thing I could like figure out how to do in the first year too is fishing. So Willie is my best friend at the moment, and like my fishing level is like crazy high, but like everything else is like my biggest export at the moment is like pale ale and different kinds of wines. I'm doing really well with that. Oh yeah. Got some muffin tins. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Everything's going wrong. How did that even happen? Okay. Muffins. Baby, are you enjoying the sunshine? Yeah, I think so. Muffins are done in theory. Let's see. They don't look burnt. I have created muffins greater than you could ever imagine. Think they're good. I would say that's a success. Voila! How is the water? It's nice? Oh, it's not bad at all. Okay, actually, it's really cold. Screw that. Think we should go swimming?
Yeah, no.
No, it's not time to go swimming?
I can't do it.
We didn't bring our bathing suits, that's the only reason.
To leave, don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing